Percy, my man, no way. What are the odds? Oh, you have got to be kidding me. The odds are 100%, Pete. The odds are literally always 100%. We are inside a closed loop, colliding at 99.9% the speed of light. I know, right? It's a small world. Besides, we're protons. We have a distinct lack of personal style options. Come on, grab a drink. The electrons are in the basement doing some crazy wave-particle duality stuff. 1 minute they're there, the next minute they're a probability cloud. It's wild. It is a subatomic world, Pete. And you're wearing my jacket again. I don't want to drink. I want to exit the snapshot, Pete. I want a peaceful fade to black. Do you know how many times we have been to this exact party? Tonight? Just once, bro. We just got here. Whoa, that's deep. But hey, if time is broken, it means the garlic bread never gets cold. Positive vibes, Percy. Literally, I am incapable of being negative. My charge won't allow it. That is the tragedy of our existence. We are both positive, which means the closer we get, the more we repel each other. I can't even give you a frustrated shove without the strong nuclear force ripping the house apart. True. Remember that time in Geneva? We got so close we shattered into a shower of Higgs bosons and a top quark? Good times. Hey, look at the wall. That is deeply threatening. Who put that up? Some guy named Zach was playing a fast guitar solo in the kitchen earlier. Honestly, my fingers started moving at supernatural speeds just listening to it. I felt like I was conducting the whole universe. That was a neurological misfire caused by the high voltage magnetic field of the magnets holding us hostage, you absolute maniac. Look, they're starting the countdown for the main event. We're about to smash into each other at maximum density. Great. Spaghettification, the ultimate dinner party closer. I can't wait to be stretched into a single file line of subatomic linguine. That's the spirit. See you in the next reboot, brother. Seriously, I absolutely hate this timeline. So, how about those Buckeyes? They're looking pretty good this year.